Hello friends, welcome. I know we all want to be happy, but most of us don't know how to be happy in every situation of life. Mind well friends, it's every single situation. Now this is not something about motivating yourself to be happy, because the case where you have to deliberately tell yourself or force yourself to be happy is never permanent. You'll motivate yourself to be happy today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So you'll remain happy today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. But after that, the day when you stop telling yourself to be happy, your happiness is gone. Now, here I am not going to tell you to stop comparing yourself to others. Spend time with your family, pet, friends, etc. Because this is all we already know. Still, something is missing. On the contrary, I would like to tell you to compare yourself with others, as it's just not possible to stop comparing. But compare with a positive attitude. Change your perspective. Compare with a reason. Shed your ego and learn the positive aspects from others. Trust nature's plans, they are perfect. So here I am with these 10 rules that is going to make you happy no matter what. Situations may come and go, people may come and go. There are heartbreaks, there are emotional outbursts, etc. etc. But believe me friends, happiness will flow like blood inside you. Permanent, spontaneous, steady happiness. Now, here you don't become a stone without feelings. But trust me, your heart is filled with pure, loveful feelings for all, even for those who have ill feelings for you. The only condition practically experiencing it is that you have to experiment. Though it may take some time, about 3 to 6 months, to experience each and every aspect of it, but it's part of the game friends. The more you experiment, the more you experience, and the more is your happiness quotient. So number 1 is trust God's plan or nature's plan for you. They are perfect. All the whys, how, what, when, where questions stops at once when you trust nature's plan. Friends, we can only think of here and now, but nature thinks of past, present and future for us. What may seem a curse today is a boon in the future. So, the aspects which are not in our control must be submitted happily to nature. This one rule, if practiced properly friends, is half the work done. So, the second one is stop fighting negative thinking. Replace them with positive ones. As long as you'll force your mind to stop negative thinking, it's never going to listen to you. The only solution is to keep your mind busy in all the positive thoughts. So there's no room for negative thinking. Remember friends, there's a mirror within, because every single emotion and thought reflects back. So be aware of your negative thinking. The third one, focus, focus, focus. Stay away from distractions. Focus on your goals. Focus on your relationships. Focus on solutions rather than problems in life. Focus on duties and actions rather than results. Recognize the distractions like what, when, how, where, who, etc. and remove them at once, as they won't let you to focus. Fourth is spread happiness to be happy. This is friends the most underestimated golden rule to be happy. Small acts to bring smiles on faces reflects back on our faces too. That doesn't mean you can make every other person you meet happy, but small acts like helping a friend in need, providing financial support to a poor, distributing chocolates and gifts to the poor and children on occasions like birthdays, etc., can work a great deal to bring happiness to your life as well as others' lives. Fifth is stop those waste thoughts at once. They are energy draining. Try powerful self talk whenever they arise. Friends, as you might have noticed, that we all indulge in some or other waste thoughts like what if this person did like this? I wish this would have had happened. These types of irrational, meaningless thoughts are your waste thoughts that drains your brain's energy for no use, and you have that tired feeling all the time without any physical workout. Sixth is take care of your health. It's more important, friends, than achieving your materialistic goals. The biggest blunder responsible for today's stressful life. You save money and time to run behind materialistic goals. Then you spend double money and time to recover from illness incurred through the stress you experience during the process. Illogical, isn't it, friends? Seventh is follow your passion. Here I am not saying to quit your present job or duties to follow your passion. But I know, friends, one also has to be practical in life. The idea here is to continue with all your duties but take out some daily time to follow your passion. It may be at least as just 5 minutes, but it's definitely going to give you happiness. On the contrary, you can always follow your passion full-fledgedly wherever possible. Eighth is kick out the negative feeds from your life, at least as a first thing in the morning or the last thing at night whenever possible. Friends, those horrifying news, thrillers and horror shows, morning news about dirty crimes in the city, how many people have died in which accidents, etc. Try to kick those out of your life. Remember, the more you feed those negatives into your mind, you are actually attracting those things into your life. Staying updated has another feasible way. Read, watch these kinds of news as a passing social media message, just as an overlook to it. But yes, if you have gotten solution for such problems, please go ahead with that to share it. Ninth is welcome those positive feeds to your mind. Friends, just as negative feeds have got a negative impact on the happiness quotient of our mind, positive feeds also have got tremendous effects on our subconscious mind. Daily motivational reads, videos, exercises like daily meditation practices to stop the negative thoughts, increase focus, etc. All these works wonderfully by regular practice. Friends, remember one thing. To start doing all this is the most difficult task. But once you start your journey, it will be so beautiful that you don't care about the destination. You just want to go on and on. The 10th one is the habit of tracking your progress. Whether it's your personal or professional life, track the positive changes you have noticed. Trust me, friends, it provides immense satisfaction and happiness. Then you compete with yourself rather than others. Believe me, friends, it's an interesting game you love to play. There are many ways of doing this. Write a personal diary, prepare a checklist for yourself, ask close relatives about it, etc. So, Here are the 10 rules of happiness. Please do experiment with these to experience the magic.